Welcome to Ecosystem Services F1 Evidence Level. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add data for the F1 evidence level for ecosystem services indicators. Take note that all provisioning and regulating indicators use the same method. For this tutorial, we'll be using Sediment Regulation as an example. Remember to choose the F1 evidence level. Upload your compiled data, if available, using the top right button shown here. The data we are using is the F1 mock data found under Ecosystem Services. The data should appear on the left column. Click here to edit the data for each spatial unit or SU. If the spatial units or SU's demand is not met in this unit, tick the Non-compliant Spatial Unit checkbox. That is all for the F1 evidence level. Thank you and see you again.